Before starting this video, I would like to congratulate Peter McKinnon, the guy I look up to, and he doesn't need any introduction. So today 3rd of April was a tiring day, it was a boring day and I was a little bit hungry. Somehow I managed to get back home. And the first thing I see on my phone, as I open my phone, I get a late notification as always. I get a notification saying Peter McKinnon uploaded the greatest honor of my career, my photo on a Canadian currency. And I was like, yo, I should check this video. And I've been following Peter McKinnon for like I think 2 years, and he's like one of the greatest YouTubers that I have been inspired from. And not gonna lie, after watching his videos for 2 years, I started liking coffee so much that every day I have to drink 1 cup of coffee. Now at first I thought it was an April Fool's video, but still it's okay. Congratulations Peter McKinnon on your success, and I hope I do the same thing, but I know that's not gonna happen, so yeah. So alright guys, what we are waiting for, let's go straight to the Lightroom CC. And oh wait, I forgot. Oh yeah. So today in this video, I will teach you how you can edit like Peter McKinnon. Not edit like Peter McKinnon, like how he does that tone, that landscape tone, that green, that teal tone. So today I will be teaching you how you can achieve that Peter McKinnon look on your picture. Now guys, do note that the tutorial is extremely easy, so you don't need a voiceover to be honest. You can just copy and paste the settings that I will provide. I believe the curve section is a little bit tricky, so on that part I'll give my voiceover and I'll try to explain. The rest of it you can just watch the video and I'll put a background music so you don't feel bored right now. Actually it becomes a little bit easy for me to make videos because the place I stay, the people are constantly talking, loud noises, people are making noise, cars are passing by. So for me, it becomes a little bit easy to make, and I try to make the content more. So in certain areas or certain parts, I'll try to give my voiceover. Not try, I will give my voiceover. So yeah guys, just follow the steps properly, just see the full video, and in certain areas I will explain.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's.
So now we are in the curve section. Now let's be honest, people don't use this curve section as so much, because first of all, people think this is one of the scariest things to do in Photoshop or in Lightroom. Not gonna lie, even I used to feel scared using this step. But once I learned this and I came to know the basic step, I started using this every day. And trust me, not every day to be honest, like whenever I upload or work on a picture, that time I use this step. Now you have to remember, this down one is the shadows and this up one is the highlights. So what you want to do is just slightly increase the shadows, and slightly decrease these highlights, and press over here and press over here. Slightly increase this, slightly decrease this. It's already done. Hit OK or done.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So yeah guys, this is pretty much how you can edit like Peter McKinnon. If you found this video helpful, then like this video. I know I've been a silent man in this whole tutorial, but trust me, it is one of the easiest tutorial, and I think you don't need a voiceover, to be honest. And for me also, it is a little bit easy. It becomes a long process if I cut, if I again start a voiceover, again start the video. Like 5 minutes video will take like 2 hours to record and 1 hour to edit. So yeah guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed my video. If you found this video helpful, then once again I'm telling you all to like this video, share this video, subscribe me if you haven't, and always watch my videos. And I'll see you on my next video. For now, peace.